Father Skeptic, I could be missing something obvious here, but NASA tells us that these two flight times on these cities that are almost 3,000 miles apart, where this flight should, with a spin, take a little less than 2 hours, but NASA says because the atmosphere rolls with the Earth, kind of like a fish tank, the way I visualized it, because air is kind of hard to imagine air having that quality, but so the air has this quality that stays with the Earth, makes these two flight times close to the same, yet somehow the jet stream makes this flight a little bit shorter. So within this static atmosphere that goes with the Earth, we also have winds that arbitrarily do whatever they want, or continually flow in the same direction. But wouldn't this be true then, that if this plane took off and was doing 500 miles per hour, and a plane that came in from outside of the Earth, because NASA says we could enter the atmosphere at any speed we wanted if we had enough fuel, so this plane sits and watches the Earth spin for a while, drops in at 0 miles per hour and accelerates up to 500, wouldn't we see this as the planes flew, each of them accelerating or thrusting at 500 miles per hour, and the one not being subject to the Earth's motion because it was never there, now it flies backwards while it's accelerating? Okay, now if that weren't true, then wouldn't it have to be true that anything that dropped into the atmosphere would immediately be hit with 1,000 miles per hour force? Because if there was any slippage, well, then we're right back to the original problem. How could it be that they're at the same time with the Earth spinning? So it would have to either conform to that solid bam, and so I don't think the pilots could survive. I don't think the astronauts could have survived. In fact, I think they would have bounced off the atmosphere, but if this were the case, but they wouldn't survive a 1,000 mile per hour hit. I don't care how wrapped up